Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. Click the link in description and get my 23rd rank book for free. This is about my experiences through my UG and my internship prep phase for NEET PG / INI-CET with chapter-wise takeaways and also an actionable route that you can take during your preparation. It has my subconscious chant, it has my 5 a.m. club pre-performing blueprint, all of that, my ideal day schedule, everything in the book. And I really hope that it helps you as you go for your INI or NEET PG exam next year. Good luck.
Most of the toppers, after getting their rank, they also stayed. But what made you to do ophthalmology even though you got an ace rank?
So there are many reasons for that. As we prepare through our UG and internship, I definitely feel money that our interest is towards something that makes us students. That will be usually medicine or something. But if you think about practical aspects, I felt that for me work-life balance matters a lot. So if I look into the aspect of medicine or surgery, you have MD then MCH, or MD then DM. Again, you have entrances before that. So preparation, if not done in one go, you will have it at least till you're 31 or 32 that you come out as a super specialist. Even after that, there are many cities where you don't get a job first of all as neurosurgeon or as neurologist. So you have to undergo 3 years of more corporate experience. And again, that kind of longer curve is something that I did not want. I have been influenced by many people, including my dad, who is an ophthalmologist. And apart from all the other factors, me seeing him perform surgery and then the patient getting instant gratification. Before the surgery, let's say there is a patient with bilateral mature cataract, he's not seeing anything, right? And after the surgery, he has blessed my dad so much because he could see his daughter's face or granddaughter's face for the first time. And those kind of emotions have been my backing as I grew up, and I was fascinated by vitreoretinal. So these are, I think, some points which explain why this has been my story.